Guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect a payment method on the Base44 app. By the end, you'll have your billing set up and your subscription ready to go, so you can start using the features included with your chosen plan without any interruptions. Start by opening the Base44 app in your browser and signing in. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you manage more than one. This is especially important because each workspace can have its own billing settings and subscription, so you want to update the correct one. Up in the top right corner, click your profile icon and choose Account Settings. This is where all your personal and workspace preferences live, including billing. If you've never configured your account before, this is also the place you'll return to whenever you need to manage your subscription or payment details. In the Settings menu, go to Plan and Billing. Here, you can see your current plan, your billing information, and the subscription options available to you. Click Upgrade Plan to view the subscription options. You'll see tiers like Elite, Pro, Builder, and Starter. Pick the plan that fits your needs today, knowing you can usually adjust later as your team grows. If you're just getting started, choosing a plan that matches your current workload can help you avoid paying for features you don't need yet. For this walkthrough, select the Builder plan and click Get Builder. Of course, you can choose whichever plan best matches your own requirements. Next, choose Continue to Checkout. You'll be taken to a secure checkout page powered by Stripe, one of the most widely used and trusted online payment platforms, so your payment information is processed securely. On this page, you'll notice two paths. If you use Link, Stripe's accelerated checkout, you can pay with saved details for a faster experience. This is convenient if you've previously saved your payment information with Stripe. If you prefer, you can proceed with a standard card checkout first and manually enter your payment details. Fill out your contact information. Use a billing email where you want invoices and receipts delivered, ideally a shared finance or admin inbox if your team needs access. Double-check the spelling here, because even a small typo could prevent important billing notifications and receipts from reaching you. Now choose your payment method. If you're paying by card, enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. Many cards require a billing address and postal code that match the statement address on file, so make sure those details are accurate to avoid unnecessary declines. Taking a few extra seconds to verify your information can save you time troubleshooting later. In the cardholder name field, type the name exactly as it appears on the card. If you're using a company card, use the company or cardholder name shown on the card and the official billing address your bank has on record. Matching these details correctly helps your payment process smoothly. Before you finalize, review the summary on the right. Confirm the plan you selected, the price, and that any tax shown looks correct for your location. It's always a good idea to verify everything one last time before submitting the payment. When everything looks good, click Subscribe to complete the purchase. You should see a confirmation message and then be returned to Base44 with your plan active and your payment method connected. At that point, you'll be able to access the features included in your selected subscription. If the subscribe button is grayed out, scan for any red errors in the form. Common misses are an incorrect postal code or an incomplete cardholder name. Correcting those fields usually resolves the issue right away. If a card is declined, try another card or contact your bank to approve the charge, as some banks automatically block unfamiliar online transactions until they're verified. For anything else, you can always reach Base44 support from your account settings for additional assistance. That's it. Your payment method is now successfully connected in Base44. You can now manage your subscription confidently and continue using Base44 with your selected plan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other Base44 tutorials for more helpful tips and guides.